8 days since we've had food and water and shelter.
Hey everybody, it's just me and Kayla. We're out here on a little hike about 1.5 miles out. Made it on top of this hill. Check out the beautiful view. This place is called Dana's Peak here in Texas. So we'll send the drone out and see if we can capture some good footage out here. Alright, so this completes our little hike. What do you think, Kay? What do you think? Yeah. Hey, what's up with your shoes?
Oh, you know.
Yeah. Great view, great weather. You know, don't be stuck up in a house. Don't be cooped up in a house. Get out. There's something about nature that it's kind of like a reset button, you know? Gets you back in aligned with your soul. We went off the beaten path. All right, guys, peace.